You can see that this channel is making content using AI and earning thousands of dollars per month. According to Social Blade, this channel is making around $14,000 per month. So can we make this amount of money per month? Yes, of course we can. For that, you need to watch the video till the end. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, so click on that subscribe button and let's start the tutorial. First step is to generate a script by chatgpt to use it for our video. For that, open chatgpt and ask it to generate motivational quotes of 50 words in a quote. Select a quote that you like and copy-paste it to a note. Add to save it for later. Second step is to generate an AI image. For that, I am using iTubo. Once you came to iTubo, you will see an interface like this. Now, we are not going to type any prompt. To generate AI images, for that, we are using a simple way, so select any image that you like. And I will select this and select Try its param. You can adjust the settings the way you need and click on Generate. And it will take some time to generate our image. Once the image has been generated, click on Download. Third step is to generate the free AI avatar. That we are using Vidnaz. For that, open a new Chrome tab and search for Vidnaz. And you should sign in for that. After you have signed in, click on this free tools and select AI talking avatar. After that, you should upload your downloaded image from iTubo to Vidnaz from here. And you should paste your copied script to here. And you can adjust your setting if you like from here. And click on Generate Video and it will send you an email once video has been generated, and you can download it from there. And fourth step is to edit the downloaded video from your email. And I am using free video editing software named DaVinci Resolve to edit my video. Once the video has been edited, you can upload it to your YouTube channel and bring millions of views to your channel. And you can go further based on your creativity. And let's watch the final preview of what we have created and see you in the next video.
Let your passion ignite the path ahead, illuminating the darkness with the brilliance of your dreams.